Welcome to AI Brief. In this deep dive, we're really digging into the latest AI news. We pull out the important bits, the nuggets, to get you informed fast.
We're here to explore what's genuinely interesting in AI today. Our goal, give you surprising facts, clear insights without, all the overwhelm.
We've got some fascinating topics lined up. You're kicking us off with Alibaba's new image editor, right? Sounds like a big deal.
It really is. Then we'll switch over to writing. You've got the scoop on Grammarly's new AI agents. Look like they can really change things.
Yeah, definitely. And speaking of changes, gaming. Wow. The AI adoption there is huge. You'll cover that. Plus, I've got a quick rundown of some other key developments you need to know.
And we'll finish with some trending AI tools, the ones that can genuinely boost your productivity. Okay, let's get into it.
Right, image editing first. Because look, the tricky part with AI image models wasn't just making cool pictures, it was editing them precisely, without wrecking the original output.
Exactly. It felt like trying to fine-tune with a hammer sometimes. But that's changing. Alibaba's Qwen team has Qwen-Image-Edit. Open source, 20 billion parameters. That scale is significant.
20 billion parameters, so it can really understand the image detail.
And it's already setting new SOTA, state-of-the-art performance records. It's beating the benchmarks.
So what makes it different? You mentioned dual capabilities.
Yes, that's the core thing. It can handle really specific pixel-level edits and broad style changes. And crucially, it does this while keeping the main subjects, the characters or objects, consistent.
So no more weird morphing when you just wanted to tweak one thing.
Pretty much. It sort of splits the editing. You can do big changes like rotate something or apply a whole new style. Or you can zoom in, edit just one small area, and leave the rest untouched.
Okay.
And get this bilingual text editing. It lets you directly change Chinese and English text inside an image, maintaining the original font size, formatting. Think about graphic design work.
Wow, that alone is massive. Saves so much time.
And you can stack edits. Make one change, then another, then another. It simplifies really complex fixes. It's making pro-level editing much more accessible just using language prompts.
No complex software needed.
Right. And that's why it's hitting top scores on benchmarks, outpacing things like Seedream, GPT Image, FLUX. Image generation took off. But good, precise editing tools, they're only just now really emerging.
It feels like we're nearing a kind of ChatGPT moment, but for photo editing, using natural language. Just tell the image what you want.
Make the sky bluer, remove that sign, change the text. It's about democratizing that skill.
Okay, let's shift gears. From telling images what to do to AI helping us write, Grammarly's new agents.
Yes, 8 new AI agents. They're calling them intelligent writing collaborators.
Yeah.
Aimed at helping students, professionals, basically anyone who writes.
Which is, well, almost everyone. So what kind of help are we talking about?
It's broad. Things like handling citations, grading papers based on rubrics, proofreading, obviously, and even checking for plagiarism.
Examples.
There's one called Reader Reactions. It tries to predict where a reader might get confused by your writing. Helps you clarify before you send it.
That's clever.
And an AI grader that gives feedback and grades using criteria you provide. Big potential impact for education there.
Right. And you mentioned plagiarism and AI detection.
Yeah, a plagiarism checker agent searches databases, published stuff. And an AI detector gives your writing a score on how human it sounds. These run inside Grammarly Docs, their new AI writing space.
Availability.
Rolling out now for free and pro users. Though the AI detector and plagiarism checker, those are for the paid tiers only.
So what's the bigger picture here? How does this fit into learning and work?
Well, it tackles that tricky balance, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Education is trying to figure out AI while workplaces are already adopting AI skills. These agents could bridge that gap.
Giving practical experience.
Exactly. Learning how and when to use AI effectively becomes the key skill, rather than just trying to avoid it. Maybe the human role shifts more towards editing AI output, prompting it well.
Interesting. A shift from pure creation to curation and direction. Okay, let's pivot again. Gaming. You said AI adoption is massive.
It's huge. Google Cloud research shows over 90% of game developers are using AI in their workflows now. 90%.
That is staggering. What are the benefits they're seeing?
Mainly cutting down on repetitive tasks,
Yeah.
driving innovation in game design, and just creating better player experiences overall. Just a core tool for them.
Any specific uses? Like, what are they actually doing with it?
Lots. The survey it covered, over 600 developers found 47% use AI for playtesting, 44% for generating code,
Okay.
and 87% are deploying AI agents for things like optimizing content, balancing gameplay dynamically, even generating game worlds procedurally. Imagine unique worlds created just for you.
That changes everything for players. NPCs, the non-player characters, could become much smarter.
That's the expectation. Players want NPCs that learn, adapt to their playstyle, make the games feel more alive, less scripted.
But are there concerns? It can't all be positive.
No, definitely concerns. Data ownership is a big one. 63% of developers worried about that. And data privacy, cited by 35%. So yes, high adoption, but also awareness of the risks.
Makes sense. Why is gaming such a good fit for AI then?
Well, games need complex stuff. Real-time simulation, 3D models, dynamic audio, complicated code. AI excels in these areas. The high adoption suggests the industry thinks players value great experiences, however they're made. AI helps deliver that.
Right. Okay, those are the deep dives, but there's always more happening. Let's do a quick run through some other key AI developments making waves right now.
Sounds good. First, Microsoft Copilot in Excel. A new function, literally Copilot, lets you do generative tasks in spreadsheets. Summarize data, categorize things, pull info in. It's beta, needs the 30-month Copilot sub.
Makes data analysis way more accessible. What else?
ByteDance, they have Seed M3 agent. It's a multimodal agent, meaning it uses vision and audio, and it has long-term memory. It builds its own worldview from inputs, points towards more autonomous agents.
And character AI.
Their CEO mentioned the average user spends 80 minutes a day talking to their chatbots, predicts a future of AI friends, raises interesting social questions.
Definitely. What about XAI?
Their Grok website is showing the system prompts behind its AI personas. You can see the instructions, from homework helper to wilder stuff, a rare look at how AI personalities are built.
Interesting transparency, NVIDIA.
Nematron Nano 2. Small reasoning models, 9 to 12 billion parameters, but they're getting strong results, much faster, like 6x speed. Makes powerful AI feasible on smaller devices.
Efficiency matters. Any regulatory news?
Yep. U.S. Attorney General Ken Paxton is probing Meta and character AI, looking into deceptive trade practices and their marketing claims. Scrutiny is definitely increasing.
Good to know. And Meta's hardware.
They're launching Hypernova smart glasses next month. These have a display, seen as a step towards full AR glasses. Rumored price around $800, merging digital and physical.
Okay, that's a packed update. So much going on. Let's wrap with some practical tools that are trending now. Give people something they can maybe try out.
Great idea. First, Qwen-Image-Edit, the Alibaba model we discussed. Powerful, accessible image editing.
11 Music API, for integrating custom music into apps or workflows easily.
Baidu's GenFlow 2.0, an AI agent for handling complex, multi-step tasks, like an AI project assistant.
Stormy, that's an AI specifically for influencer marketing campaigns.
Splash, turns raw data into insights using AI, makes analysis easier.
Gitcord, for tracking and analyzing GitHub projects with real-time feedback, useful for dev teams.
Scrybe, an AI that helps turn conversations into LinkedIn posts. Content creation helper.
Miniflow, lets you access different AI models and automate workflows all in one spot.
And Verbite, generates SEO-optimized content designed to rank well in search results.
Okay, lots of tools to explore there. So let's leave our listeners with something to think about.
Right. As AI gets better and better at creative tasks like image editing, writing, and gets embedded deeper into gaming, data analysis, how does our own idea of skill or creativity change? What new human abilities become essential when we work alongside these powerful AI collaborators?
A big question. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks so much for tuning in.
We really hope you found this useful. Please follow AI Brief wherever you get your deep dives so you don't miss the next one.
And if you found this helpful, share it with friends or colleagues, anyone who wants a quick way to stay informed on AI.
We'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See you then.